Hi guys, so today is Sunday. I thought I would vlog a little bit, probably a little bit today, maybe a little bit tomorrow. But I'm out right now. It's 1:45. I came out to pick up paint for the kitchen because I'm finally ready to put an actual color on the walls. Everything is primed and ready, and I decided on a paint color. So I'm gonna go to Sherwin-Williams and pick that up. And I'm actually gonna have a whole video on like painting the kitchen on my other channel, so if you want to watch that and see the whole process from the beginning, and everything we went through with that kitchen wall and how much of a disaster that was, you can watch that over there. But right now I am at Marshall's because Marshall's is on the way to the paint store, and I have no kids with me right now, and if I have no kids I can't not stop in Marshall's. If I pass it, that would be crazy. So I'm gonna go in there, just do a quick browse. Well, that was a bad idea to go to Marshall's. It was so busy in there. Yeah, that was pretty much the only thing. It was so busy, I forgot how busy it gets on the weekend and why I don't go to stores really on the weekend unless I have to. So I didn't get anything. I also didn't really see much of anything. I don't know, I've been kind of disappointed. Like the other night I went to Home Goods and TJ Maxx and was looking for Christmas stuff and I couldn't really find anything. There's a lot of gnomes everywhere. Like that must be like the new thing this year is gnomes. I'm not that crazy about them. They have no eyes and it's kind of weird. But yeah, just a lot of gnomes and not much cute stuff that I've seen in those two stores, and then same with Marshall's. They didn't really have that much, so I don't know what's going on there. But I did get a couple things at Home Goods the other day. Not Christmas stuff, but I'll show you really quick what I got because it's in the car and I actually forgot that it was in the car. But well, I got my paint, so that's here. That's gonna go in the house, and then I don't know why I'm showing you this outside, but I got cutting boards because the ones that I have, well, I have one wood one and it's cracked, and then I have other plastic ones, but they constantly slide around on the counter and it's so annoying. So I got ones that have grippies. I also got a notebook. This is going to be for my record keeping for homeschool. Got a pair of tongs because my tongs broke, so I got those. And then I got this for Madison. She's been wanting like one of these stand things for her LOL dolls, I think. And she asked for one of these a while ago. And I said I would find her one at Marshall's or something, or wherever. Home Goods, TJ Maxx, one of those stores, because they have the best prices for this kind of stuff. It was only $5. So I got that for her. Actually, I did it outside because there's one thing in that bag that I can't bring in the house yet, so I'll just leave the whole bag here. So I am upstairs right now with Noah. Of course he's gonna be mad at the camera now. Do you need to go downstairs too? Do you want to go downstairs? But I wanted to show you guys real quick. We got sent 2 more play kits from Lovevery, and if you guys are looking for, you know, Christmas present ideas or anything for your kids or for anybody, for a family member, these are awesome. Like, I love them so much. So they go by ages. So this box is called a companion, and it's for 22, 23, and 24 months. And then this box I got was called a helper, and it's for 25, 26, and 27 months. So this one, I don't think we have too much out of here right now. I think there's one thing from here that we have downstairs. But inside it shows you, it has like this, like, I don't know what to call this. This little cardboard thing that shows you all the toys that are inside. And I think the one that we have downstairs in the living room right now is this one. I recorded a couple clips from when... What? You want me to open this one too? Yeah. I recorded a couple clips from when the day we got these toys, because they were just going through it and playing with everything. Here, you look at that one. This one is really cute. They have this one downstairs, and Chase and Noah are both playing with that one. But the thing that I was most excited for in this play kit is this little play sink. It's so cute. The kids all love it. They played with it the first day that we got this kit because they were so excited to play with it. But it's just a little play sink, and it uses the same water. The faucet is a pump, and it just pulls the water up and around and up and around. And yeah, they love it. But yeah, each kit comes with a bunch of little toys in here, and you don't have to, you know, bring them all out at once. You can just take like 2 or 3 things at a time and then like rotate through them. And then this kit was the companion kit, and this was closer to Noah's age. He's like, what, 20 months right now? 21 months? I don't even know. And this kit came with all of this stuff inside. A bunch of the stuff is down in the living room right now. Like we have the little animal match game with the little animals and the little cards. That's downstairs. We have the little wooden peg stand thing. That's downstairs. This is in the box because I feel like he can grow into this a little bit more. He's having a little bit of trouble doing it by himself. So I'll leave that in the box for now and bring that out in a few months. The button board we have downstairs. This one I kept up here, the felt stars and the tweezers, because it was a little bit difficult for him. This is another one he'll probably grow into. He'll definitely grow into it. He can't really do it yet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what was inside of these boxes, give you a little bit of a closer look, because I love these toys. I love the toys that have some thought put into them, and they're not just like music and sounds and lights and just chunks of plastic that don't get played with. Like, we have a bunch of those toys, and these are so much better, and I've been putting in like so much more thought into like which toys that I get for them. But this makes it easy because it gives you a whole bunch of toys in a box, and it's all geared for their specific ages. So, but yeah, thank you so much to Lovevery for sending that stuff to us. So it's like 4:45 right now. I'm making dinner. We're gonna have homemade chicken noodle soup. Smells so good in here. So I got all the chicken stuff. This is everything that was in the pot. We have a rotisserie chicken that I used most of the chicken to make chicken pot pie, and then boiled the rest of it, and just some carrots and celery. There's our broth. So for Noah, since he can't really have soup, I mean, it would be really hard to try to feed him soup, I put some broth in a cup. Good, nice and warm. We'll see what he thinks. You wanna try some? It's chicken broth. Did you try it? Take a sip. Take a sip. Why do you have a spatula, huh? Can I have that, please? Can I have it? Noah, what are you doing? He was really hungry, so I made him a quesadilla. I guess I'm making noodles right now, and I'll see if he wants some noodles, but try it. So it is like 8:45 now. I was planning on painting the kitchen tonight. That was what I was gonna do, but I think I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow and do that because Greg is gonna make us some desserts, and I thought that would just be too much going on in the kitchen. Like, he's trying to bake something, I'm trying to paint. Can't do two things at once. But he's gonna make some. The camera annoys me so much because the screen flips me the wrong way, and then everything's like backwards. We're making some lava cakes, and we're gonna have it, well, I'm gonna have it with ice cream and fudge. It's gonna be so good. And I had a light dinner. Like, I'm actually hungry right now because all I had was soup. But it's good because I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna take a shower first, and then I think I'm gonna do like a foot soak thingy. I'm gonna, maybe like a face mask too. Maybe I'll just do like a whole like pamper night and dessert and everything, and yeah.